Hey guys, I'm back today with another tech toy to show you. This is a portable power bank and I would like to thank VEEKTOMX for sending it to me. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, and by the way, the one they sent me is model VT105, which is actually written at the back of the box. They sent me the white one, but it's also available in blue or black. So it's nice to see the package comes with a user manual which shows you all the different parts of the power bank, what they do, and of course how to use it, especially helpful in case you've never used one before. Okay, so let's take a look at this power bank and check out how many ports it comes with. First up, we have a USB-C port to the right, and next to it, we have a standard USB-A port. And here we have what I assume is the power button. On the front of the power bank, there is a small LED screen display which will show you the progress of the charge. And then flipping over to the back, we have the built-in AC plug that folds out so we can plug it into the wall outlet. And then on the sides, we have two cables that pull out, one on each side. This one is a USB-C, and there's also a micro USB. And the other cable is for iPhone charging. Now, the first thing I notice about this power bank is how slim and sleek it is. I'm pretty sure it can fit into any pants pocket, but let's go ahead and measure it. So the longest side is 15 centimeters and the shorter side is 7 centimeters. And the whole thing is only 1.5 centimeters thick. I also notice how lightweight this power bank is as well, which makes it overall very convenient and easy to travel with.